Istanbul Airport is one of the busiest airports in the world, and navigating through it can be a daunting task for many travelers. However, with the right tips and tricks, you can have a smooth and hassle-free transfer experience. First and foremost, make sure to book your airport transfer in advance. This will not only save you time and money, but also ensure that you have a reliable transportation option waiting for you when you land. Additionally, it's a good idea to research different transfer options, such as private car services or shuttle buses, to find the best option for your needs. Another important tip is to familiarize yourself with the airport layout before you arrive. Knowing where your gate is located and how to get there can save you a lot of time and stress. And finally, be prepared for any unexpected delays or changes in your travel plans by staying up to date with your flight information and having a backup plan in place. By following these tips, you can make your Istanbul Airport transfer experience a smooth and seamless one.